Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A very brief video today. I just wanted to let you know, and I want you to spread the word just in case many people are not aware of this. For all of you who are not, Tesco's have now recalling a British cooking salt because apparently there are particles or pieces of plastic that may cause a choking hazard. So the batches that affected, guys, is batch number 3200. If you're wondering where to see the batch number, it's actually on at the back and the top. My one luckily is 3005, but the affected batch is 3200 only. It makes me slightly wonder, you know guys, when they're saying it's a choking hazard, right, with a piece of plastic in your salt, it is kind of more likely first that you break your tooth than you will be choking on the plastic. However, anyway, this is the guidelines they put out there. Apparently, they said they're going to be putting up the notices in where the salt is sold. However, I've been at Tesco's. I have not seen a recall notice on the salt area yet, so I assume they're just going to get to this. However, guys, it is unfortunate. It is one of the things that I've always been buying the salt from Tesco's. As you can see, that was still £1.75, so my batch was clearly an older batch and it's okay. They're now £1.90 anyway. But the fact is, guys, I have quite a few, okay? Before I started buying the sea salt, I've been buying this for a curing and doing to my gherkins before obviously pickling, so this is what I buy. However, the only trouble is, okay, when I generally buy salt, I do probably what all of us do, apart from this last bit that I've bought, you repackage this, okay? You repackage it in something. I do not keep them in the bags like this because they often have little holes and the salt goes everywhere, so I repackage them. So what I would advise, guys, if you ever to buy salt, okay, is if you repackage this, I would suggest of putting batch number on there. And I think it's not just with the salt. I think it's, to be fair, it's really good example or good idea now to actually start doing this with the other products, because more and more products are getting recalled. And if you spent a lot of money on specific batch of something, be it beans or rice, I don't know, if the recall happens, because we don't keep the stuff in the original packaging, we won't know. So by at least writing the batch number on your repackaged bag or glass jar, whatever you're storing it in, will help us in the future that if there's any recalls, we can actually know whether the stuff is safe or not. So anyway, guys, as to what to do if you're unlucky enough to have your salt that is affected, apparently you could just take this to Tesco's, okay? You don't even need to have the receipt. So if you unfortunately repackaged your salt into something like this, then unfortunately it's a little bit of a pickle. So I don't know what you're going to do in this instance, but I suppose if you know it's from Tesco's and you might suspect that you bought this recently and the batch might be that, maybe it's worth taking it to Tesco and say, actually, well, this is what normally people do, so what you're going to do about that? Anyway, so yeah, guys, brief one, please share. I think, because I did show this in many videos, and I think many of you said that you've been buying that salt as well because of cheaper than Asda's. So please spread the word. So batch 3200 cooking salt, it's no longer safe to consume. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye bye.